All right, so the hidden cost of home ownership, Kristin, because I don't think a lot of people really appreciate this. Actually, when Renee was a loan officer, she actually had a client that closed with $1 left in their account.
Wow.
She asked her about it. True story. Yeah, interesting. Okay, so the true cost of home ownership, and this is going to depend on how much you choose to hire in terms of leverage. But if we talk just bare bones, what are some of the things?
Well, I mean, you've got the thing that people think about the most, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, which equal your mortgage payment, right?
Yeah.
And then there's the stuff above and beyond that a lot of clients consider, especially when they're trying to be conscientious to their budget, right? So there's their utilities, gas, electric, water.
Yeah, and you can
Internet.
you can look up what the utilities were for the previous homeowner. I've had people, because that's a public utility, those things are actually accessible information that you can figure out what someone else was spending on that. So you can know in
A
advance.
lot of water bills are available online. You can also have your agent ask the seller for the details.
Right, exactly. Taxes, so you said PITI payment and part of taxes. In Michigan, at the very least, we are a state that uncaps.
Yeah.
And a lot of lenders qualify you on the previous taxes, but not
Yes.
necessarily what the taxes are going to be. So that's one of the things we do for our consumers, is we talk to them about what the taxes are going to be for the property, because sometimes that's a bit of a wake-up call, especially if you're buying in a
100%.
high appreciation area like East English Village, right, where you bought that for for a ham sandwich, and now it's worth $250,000. Your taxes are going to go up a lot, right?
Substantially.
Hazel Park, right? So some of these communities with high mill rates. What other
Homeowners
things?
Association dues. The typical items that you would leverage out, like if you have a pool, the cost to maintain the pool.
Yeah, that's one of the questions for sure to ask the previous homeowner. Pools are highly, you basically just dump a bucket of money into them. So you're dumping, you're just dumping buckets of money. I always joke with my kids, and because we open it early for Lewis's birthday, when the steam's rising from the pool, I'm like, those are dollars floating away.
Yeah,
right?
for real.
And because I think, what'd you say my bill was? $600 extra last month.
Yeah,
Yeah, $600 extra to keep it heated. So that's something that we know, but we still complain about it every spring. So pool, if you choose to hire a dog poop service, landscaping, lawn, right? And when you get into these luxury markets, you have to understand that maintaining the house is sometimes just as expensive. Home cleaning, right? All of these things. Maintaining the actual property. Every year, for some reason, we have landscaping lights that go out. All of these things you should consider into what your budget is on your house.
Yeah, not only that, but it's actually the major deferred maintenance items, right? Your agent can help you realize how quickly the roof's going to need to be done, the furnace, things like this. At least forecast for when you should get these items into your budget or begin to budget for them, because a big expenditure like that at the last minute could really put you in a pinch.
What do you think I spent on brick pavers being power washed and new sand put in last year?
You have a lot of brick paver. Thousands.
$8,000.
Yeah.
So these are the type of things you want to budget, right? So if you have any questions on what it would cost at just an entry-level house or a luxury house, we're happy to help you with that so you can properly budget for your future. Thanks.